Hi there everyone. Due to the great success of our latest release of 3D printing design brochure, we've put our efforts into producing a nice brochure for the engineering market. This particular brochure includes a lot of information in terms of the applications that 3D printing are ideal for in engineering. So you'll hear a lot more about jigs and fixtures and a lot more about how these machines can work on your shop floor. In this brochure it's going to specifically tell you a bit more about how to produce soft jaws, work holding, CMM fixtures, checking gauges, assembly aids, all sorts of different applications that are covered in this particular brochure. We'll also include a bit more information in here about our latest machines, the Forks 450 system, the F-Series range and also the F770 as well. You can see a couple of parts in front of me here. This particular check-in gauge that we've got here, check-in fixture, sorry, and also we've got a CMM fixture here which is just going to sit on the CMM there and allow you to fixture up that part and get the measurements off that particular part that you can see there. So there's not just fixturing, there's lots of other applications that a 3D printer can be used for in engineering. So if you want to get in touch with us now, you can request this pack which will include this brochure here which has the information in, a nice notepad, also a pen and one of our USB sticks and a product specific brochure as well. So we look forward to you getting in touch with us and we'll get one of the packs out in the post to you ASAP.